people don't seem to understand. We have not made the decision to charge. What happened is it was a matter of custodial orders.
The Director of Prosecution, Noordin Haji, has today thrown the National Cohesion and Integration Commission (NCIC) under the bus for bungling of the hate speech case against Meru Senator Mithika Linturi.
Both the investigators, NCIC, could not get hold of an original clip. One of the requirements of hate speech is that the person who records, the device that records, must be identified and must be part of the evidence. And if you lack that, then there's no way we can make the decision to charge.
A case example, the DPP says that Meru Senator Mithika Linturi was let off the hook by Nakuru Chief Magistrate Court after the prosecution failed to prefer charges against him within the allocated time.
What needs to happen is the investigators, NCIC, they need to have their officers on the ground to do individual recordings. And we've asked that they identify hotspots and maybe even go a step further of covering individuals that they think need to be covered, like, for example, the principals.
Haji further argues that the Samuel Kobia Commission failed to table any tangible evidence to nail suspects in court, while also conceding difficulty in prosecuting hate crime-related cases due to botched investigations. The anti-hate speech body has to this end been deemed by the DPP as toothless for failing to curb hate remarks among politicians, especially in the current electioneering period.
They ran to the court and got an interim order to stop us from proceeding. So that's where we are. We will stop until we get clearance from the court. They said they are handling the issue in the court. If they can determine that we have jurisdiction to continue, then we will continue.
IEBS Commissioner Yakub Guliye, who was also a speaker at the Elections Preparedness Forum, said IEBS will not summon Moses Kuria over remarks alleging rigging of elections while in Kiambu, Kenya Kwanza campaigns.
If the issue of Sabina Chege is in the court, then there is no point summoning Moses Kuria, who will again run to the same courts to get another interim order. So we wait for the court direction, because the arguments of those lawyers who are representing Sabina Chege is that we don't have the jurisdiction.
Guliye further noted that orders by the court suspending proceedings against Muranga woman Representative Sabina Chege have in the meantime left IEBS powerless to deal with the cases against the legislators. Giverson Minor, K24, Nairobi.